Let's unbox and take a look at the 720C power bank from Chargetech. The 720C is a 20,000 mAh power bank with upgraded 21700 lithium-ion cells. It can output a total of 130 watts at once and features an enhanced visual display. There are 3 ports up top, a Type-C USB-A, and an in-out PD Type-C port that can output 100 watts. There's a power button on the side. Make sure you turn it on before charging. We can see battery capacity remaining in the power bank, along with output voltage and current on the screen. Finally, we have the included Type-C to Type-C charging cable. For more information, please visit chargetech.com.